Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, Honorable Sports Minister of Odisha, Shri Tushar Kanti Behera ji, Chief Secretary, Shri Suresh Chandra Mahapatra, Padma Shri, Shri Dilip Tirki ji, Commissioner cum Secretary, Sports and Youth Affairs, Shri R. Vinil Krishna, Hockey India Secretary General, Mr. Rajendra Singh, and to all the dignitaries present here today, a very good evening to all of you. It's truly a momentous occasion for the International Hockey Federation to be again in Bhubaneswar, which has become a very important center for sports in India. We are still in awe of the way Government of Odisha organized the 2018 Men's World Cup, which has become a benchmark for the rest of the world, which not only displayed the best of hockey but showcased Odisha and India to the rest of the world, its enormous capabilities of hosting mega events, and showcased the tourist destinations of Odisha. The iconic Kalinga Stadium, Bhubaneswar, has come to be known as the best venue for world hockey tournaments. And I'm confident with the new stadium in Rourkela, which currently is under construction, that the standards of hosting these excellent facilities will help take hockey to the next level. We have to take cognizance of the fact that we are currently living in unprecedented times. However, like hosting of the Olympic Games in Tokyo recently, changed the mood of people towards better times across the globe. Similarly, we hope to see similar trends in India through the hosting of high-intensity international events in Bhubaneswar, the sports capital of India. And for this, I will request Government of Odisha through Honorable Chief Minister to show the way to rest of India. And before I conclude, I would like to compliment the women's rugby team for winning the silver medal in the under-18 competition. And I also like to compliment my friend Rahul Bose, who's taken upon himself to take rugby forward. And I can assure you from Olympic, we'll give you all the support you require. But you don't need anyone when Odisha is there. And I would say, like, Odisha has been lucky for hockey. After 41 years, we won a bronze medal. Similarly, your under-18 guns, which are supported by Odisha. So I can say Odisha for us is a lucky charm. So thank you, sir. I would also like to thank the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, and the people of Odisha for their continued support to hockey and setting benchmarks for rest of India and in hockey for rest of the world. Please stay healthy, and thank you very much, sir.